Ever found yourself wondering what a major bank like Lloyds Bank actually does beyond just holding onto your hard-earned cash? I mean, in today's world, banking is so much more than just savings accounts, right? It's about managing your financial life, planning for the future, and even getting support for your business ventures. Well, you've clicked on the right video because today, we're diving deep into the world of Lloyds Bank and uncovering the vast array of services they offer. Forget those dusty images of just queues and tellers. Modern banking is dynamic, and Lloyds Bank is no exception. Let's start with the essentials, the bedrock of any banking institution, personal banking. Of course, they offer a range of current accounts designed to fit different lifestyles and needs. Whether you're a student just starting out, a young professional managing daily expenses, or someone looking for premium perks and benefits, Lloyds likely has an account tailored for you. Think about features like contactless payments, mobile banking apps that put your finances at your fingertips, and even options with rewards or cashback on your spending. Beyond your everyday spending, what about saving for those bigger goals? Whether it's a deposit on a new home, funding your children's education, or simply building a financial safety net, Lloyds Bank provides various savings accounts and ISAs, individual savings accounts, to help your money grow. From easy access accounts for flexibility to fixed-rate bonds for more predictable returns, they offer avenues to make your savings work harder. Now, let's talk about borrowing. At some point, many of us need a little extra financial support, whether it's to purchase a car, renovate our home, or even take that dream holiday. Lloyds Bank offers a range of loan products, including personal loans with fixed repayment terms and mortgages to help you get on the property ladder or move to a new home. Understanding the different types of loans and the terms involved can be crucial, and Lloyds aims to provide guidance through this process. But their services don't stop there. In today's digital age, online and mobile banking are paramount. Lloyds Bank has invested heavily in its digital platforms, allowing you to manage your accounts, make payments, transfer funds, and even access support services from the convenience of your smartphone or computer, 24/7. This accessibility is a game-changer for busy individuals who need to bank on the go. Thinking about the future? Lloyds Bank also offers services around investments and financial planning. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting to explore the possibilities, they can provide access to a range of investment products and potentially connect you with financial advisors who can help you create a plan to achieve your long-term financial goals. This could include things like stocks and shares, mutual funds, and pension planning. And what about those crucial life events? Lloyds Bank also provides services related to insurance, helping you protect yourself, your family, and your assets. This can range from home insurance and car insurance to travel insurance and even life insurance, offering peace of mind for the unexpected. Now, let's shift gears slightly and talk about businesses. Lloyds Bank isn't just for personal customers, they offer a comprehensive suite of services for businesses of all sizes. This includes business current accounts, tailored lending solutions, merchant services for taking payments, and even support for international trade. For entrepreneurs and business owners, having a reliable banking partner is essential, and Lloyds Bank aims to be that partner, providing the financial tools and support needed to thrive. Finally, it's worth noting the additional services that often go unnoticed but can be incredibly valuable. Things like overdraft facilities for short-term cash flow needs, credit cards offering various rewards and benefits, and even services to help with international money transfers. It all adds up to a comprehensive financial ecosystem designed to support a wide range of needs. So, as you can see, Lloyds Bank offers a whole lot more than just a place to keep your money safe. From everyday banking and savings to loans, investments, insurance, and comprehensive business support, they aim to be a partner in your financial journey. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.